Peace of Mind and Body 13. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the emotional state of people who try to balance different aspects of their life, such as their work, personal and social life. One thing which can help a person to avoid stress associated with this is by adopting a balanced state of mind. This is when one tries to control their emotions in such a way that they do not allow themselves to experience extreme emotional states, as these often lead to stress and mental disorders. This has been indicated in chapter 57 Al-Hadid, verse 23 of the Holy Quran.
In order that you not despair over what has eluded you, and not exult in pride over what He has given you.
Islam does not prohibit one from showing emotions, as this is a part of being human. But it advises a balanced state of mind, whereby one does not swing from one extreme emotion to another. Being sad in difficult situations is acceptable, but one should not despair, which is extreme sadness, as this often leads to other mental disorders such as depression. And being happy is acceptable, but one should not become overly happy, namely exultant, as this can often lead to sins and regrets in both worlds. A Muslim should strive to obtain a balanced state of mind by remembering the countless blessings they still possess in times of difficulty, which prevents extreme sadness, namely despair. And in times of ease they should remember that they will be held accountable for the thing that pleases them, and if they misuse it or fail to fulfill the duties linked to it, they may face punishment over it. In addition, if they use the blessing in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, they will gain more blessings in both worlds. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
Behaving in this manner will prevent one from becoming overly happy, namely exultant. A balanced state of mind is always best, which prevents the negative effects of extreme moods. This will take a Muslim closer to true peace of mind and the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience, according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This further aids one in obtaining a balanced mental state and peace of mind and body in both worlds. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.